In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a trend scanner. First, click New and then New Top List window. On the left, you'll find some basic scanners like top gainers or volume leaders. Go to Search and add all necessary filters. The most important is consecutive candles, because it can possibly identify a trend's beginning. Here, choose the columns that you want to display. In this fold, you can choose how the scanner will sort your stonks. Okay, so now let's make a bearish trend scanner. Again, add all filters you need. It is important to remember that you have to fill change from close and consecutive candles inversely to find falling stonks. In this case, it means that you will look for stonks that are -1% or lower. While you sort this scanner, select smallest on top to find the most bearish stonk.